Hello students, today in this video I will explain you exercise first. The name of the exercise is statistics. Question number first part. Arrange the following data in ascending order. Some of the numbers are given. We have to arrange all these numbers in ascending order in first part. So first of all we will put the heading in ascending order. So in ascending order what we have to do? In ascending order we have to write the smallest number first. The number which is the smallest, that we have to write first. Then we will write greater number, and in the end we will write greatest number. So we will start from smaller number. So which one is smaller here? 3. 3 is the smallest number which is given in the series. But 3 is coming how many times? 3 is coming 2 times. So we will write 3 2 times only. 3, again we will write 3. After 3, which one is greater number? Greater than 3 is 4. 4 is coming how many times? Only 1 time 4 is coming. So we will write 4 1 time. Then 5 is coming 3 times. So we have to write 5 3 times. The number greater than 5 is 6. How many times 6 is coming? Only 1 time 6 is coming. So we will write 1 time. Greater than 6 is 7. How many times 7 is coming? 2 times. So we will write 7 2 times. Then greater than 7 is 8 3 times. Greater than 8 9. Only 1 time. Greater than 9 is 10. Only 1 time 10 is coming, and 11 also it is coming 1 time. So these numbers are arranged in the ascending order. And in the second part we have to write these numbers in descending order. Descending order. Descending means greatest number we have to write first, then smaller number, then more smaller, then more smaller, but in the end we have to write smallest number. So what we will do, this series we had written here in ascending order. From the back side we will start 11, then 10 number is there, after that 9 is there, 9, then 8 is coming 3 times, so we will write 3 times 8, 7 is coming 2 times, 6 is coming 1 time, 5 is coming 3 times, then 4 is coming 1 time, 3 is coming 2 times. So these numbers are arranged in the descending order. Now question number second, A part. Find the frequency of 5. We have to write the frequency of 5. So what is the meaning of frequency? First of all I will tell you what is the meaning of frequency. Frequency means number of times. Frequency denotes number of times. Number of times means how many times this 5 is coming here, we have to check. That value will be the frequency of 5. So we will write here in first part frequency of 5. Frequency of 5 is equal to how many times this 5 is coming. If you will count it, 5 is coming 1 2 3 times. 5 is coming 3 times, so frequency of 5 is 3. In the same way you have to do part number B also. Now part number C. The value of pi is given 3.141592. Very long number, very lengthy number is given. Write the frequency of the digits. We have to write the frequency of first part is 2. So what we will do? C, first part we have to write frequency of 2. So in order to write the frequency of 2, we have to count how many times this 2 is coming here in this value of pi. So when we will count 2, we will observe that 2 is coming 2 times. 2 is coming only 2 times. So frequency of 2 is 2. Second part is we have to write the frequency of, this time we have to write the frequency of 3. So we will count how many times 3 is coming here. 3 is coming 3 times. So frequency of 3 is 3. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts. Now next question is question number third. Third question. Find the observation which has the least frequency. Least means minimum. Minimum means सबसे कम frequency किसकी है. So we will check which number is coming minimum number of times. Third question, A part. We have to write observation with least frequency. We have to check that number which is coming minimum number of times, very less number of times. So if we will check here, 6 coming how many times? 4 times. 1 2 3 4 5 times. 6 is coming 5 times. 8 also we will count how many times this 8 is coming. 8 is coming only one time. Here you will observe 8 is coming only one time. So observation with the least frequency is 8. कौन सा नंबर है जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे कम है? वो है 8, क्योंकि 8 कितने टाइम्स आ रहा है? ओनली वन टाइम 8 इज कमिंग. बी पार्ट. व्हाट इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन विच हैज द लार्जेस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी? नाउ वी हैव टू राइट ऑब्जर्वेशन विद लार्जेस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. ऑब्जर्वेशन विद लार्जेस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. So here we have to check which number is coming maximum number of times. जो ज़्यादा रिपीट हो रहा है उसको लिखना है. तो कौन सा नंबर सबसे ज़्यादा बार रिपीट हो रहा है इसमें? 29 is coming again and again many times. So observation with the largest frequency is 29. So like this you have to do question number third. Now question number fourth, A part. First part, we have to draw the tally marks. Tally marks we have to make. First value is 3. Tally marks, how we will draw? 3 value is there, so we will put 3 marks. Like this we will draw the tally mark. Part number second, 5. For 5 what we have to do? 1 2 3 4. 4 lines we will draw. Then for 5th number we will cut it. This cut means 5. So 1 2 3 4, 4 lines we have to draw. For 5 we have to cross it. So this is the answer of second part. Now fourth part, 18 is given. 18. So 1 2 3 4. For 5 we will cut it. Now we will give some space. 5 are over. 6 7 8 9. Again we will cut because next number is 10 and 10 is coming in a table of 5. So for 10 we will cut it. 10 are over. 11 12 13 14. For 15 also we will cut. 16 17 18. So for 18 we will draw tally marks like this. Now B part. Question number 4, B part. First one, 1 2 3 4. 4 lines are drawn. These are tally marks and we have to write what is the value of this. This value is 4. Next one, second part, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is the figure given in the question. We have to count what is the value of these tally mark. So 1 2 3 4, cut means 5 and 1 6. So here value is 6. So like this you have to do question number 4th. Now come to question number 5th. Fifth question. The number of members in 25 families are given here in the question. We have to make a frequency table. So in order to make a frequency table, we have to draw 3 columns. 3 columns we will draw. First column heading will be First column heading will be number of members. Number of members. How many members are there? Second heading will be families are given. Families and number of members are given. So number of members we had already written. Now next heading we have to put tally mark. And third heading we have to put frequency. So what we have to do in this question? First of all, we will write number of members, and these numbers of members you have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means first of all you will write smallest. Which one is the smallest here? In question number 5, smallest value is 2. 2 members. Now we will count how many times this 2 is coming. 2 is coming only one time in the table. So here in the frequency we will write 1, and in the tally mark we will draw only single mark. Next value after 2 is 3. So next number of member value will be 3. Now we will count how many times this 3 is coming in the question. So when we will count 3, 3 will come 11 times. 3 again and again it is coming in the question. So we will count how many times this 3 is coming. 11. So here we will write frequency is 11, and here we have to draw tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cut, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cut, and last one will be 11. So this is the tally mark. Now greater than 3 number is 4. So we will count how many times 4 is coming here in the question. 4 is coming 8 times. So in the frequency we will write 8. Here we have to draw 8 tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next number greater than 4 is 5. 5 is coming how many times? 5 is coming 3 times. So here frequency of 5 is 3. Now we will draw tally mark 3. Greater than 5 is 6. 6 members. How many times 6 is coming? 6 is coming only 2 times. So here we will write 2, and here we will draw tally mark. Now this table will get closed. We have to close this table. At the end we have to check our answer whether we are done correctly or not. In order to check it, we will add all the frequency. 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 8 20, plus 3 23, 23 plus 2 25. So our total is coming 25, and in the heading of the question it is given there are 25 families, and our answer is also coming 25. That means we are done correctly. So this is the frequency distribution table. So like this you have to do question number 5th, question number 6th also, and question number 7th also. 5th, 6th and 7th all are same as I had explained you here in question number 5. So now this exercise is over. You have to finish this exercise in your fair note.